Asian soybean rust is a very difficult disease to scout for. So in this segment, what we want to do is talk about those areas of the field where soybean rust could be found and how to scout within the canopy of the plant. One of the areas in which you look is along the tree line. Tree lines are important because shade is there most of the day, or at least part of the day, and in doing so you get a lot of moisture maintained within the canopy of a plant even longer than you would, say, in the middle of a field. The second area of the field that we need to look at would be low areas of the field where soil moisture is maintained longer than in higher portions of the field. The reason for this is that soil moisture helps to maintain higher humidity within the canopy, thus giving you more free water on the leaves within that canopy, which is a perfect condition for soybean rust development. In scouting for soybean rust, what many people do is they walk through the field very quickly and look for any lesions or spots that may appear on the top part of the canopy. But in order to find soybean rust, this is not where you look. You actually look at the bottom leaves. This is the area in which soybean rust would actually develop simply because of the high humidity and the moisture that's maintained within the canopy. What you do is pick a lower leaf, and you can see that I'm picking a leaf here with the trifoliate, and we're looking for those spots that might be here, the yellowing with the blotchiness, but actually the pustules will be on the bottom side of the leaf. What we do is we take it and wrap it around our finger and then take a hand lens. A hand lens should be at least 20x because you'll need that in order to see the small pustules. In doing so, you'll look very closely at any structure that may be found on that leaf, and what you're looking for are little pustules that look like small volcanoes. They'll have a nice little hole at the top. If you're able to see some sandy colored structures coming out of it that look like little footballs, these are going to be the spores that are being produced by the fungus. After that's done, you will be able to have said you have found Asian soybean rust. The important points to remember here in scouting for Asian soybean rust: number one, look in the shaded areas of the field, near tree lines on the edges of the field. Secondly, look in the lower portions of the field where there may be standing water or more soil moisture. And also, when you're looking within the canopy itself, again, do not look at the top, but look at the bottom leaves, because that is where soybean rust will begin to develop.